Cam, I need you to be sitting down. Ava? So we are going to work on our vocab again today. So the word yesterday, let me take a peek here. The word yesterday that we put in our vocab journals, I don't remember what we did. We did interpret for our Frere model. So today we're going to put determine in our Frere model. And I'll kind of stick it there so you guys can see. Determine. Can someone give me the definition of determine? Marissa. Conclude, decide, or to choose. Good. Good. So to conclude, decide, or choose. And how did we use this yesterday? Like, give me a characteristic or an example of how we used this. How did we, what was an example we had, Lily?
We had, like I drew, and I was, when I put in a bubble with a question mark next to it, and I had a paper next to it.
I can't, what was that, honey?
I drew that yesterday.
Oh, okay. So you drew like a picture, a book, was it a picture of a book?
Yeah.
Okay, and
And
then
I was like determining what it would be about.
so you were determining the main point
Yeah.
of something? Okay. So I'm going to put main point on our example. Good. What else did we talk about that was a good example of the word determine? Monica?
Like, you were determined to do something?
Yeah, so if you're determined, yeah. Good. We talked about that. If you're determined to get a good grade on a test, or if you're determined to persevere and work through a math problem. Good. Can anyone think of anything else that we talked about as an example? Aiden?
Like you can choose, like, I choose this or something.
Okay, elaborate. What do you mean?
Like, this is how I'm saying choose. I can choose what I want.
So you
if I
did.
want to wear an Under Armour sweatshirt.
Okay, so you determined what you wanted to wear.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna write your needs. So you determined what your needs were, what you wanted to wear, what you wanted to do.
I just pick a shirt out of the dirty clothes then.
What, Annika?
I don't care what I wear. I just pick a shirt out of the dirty clothes then.
Okay, so then you determined that you did not care what you wore. Good. Good. So what are some characteristics of what it means to determine?
I have a non-example.
Okay.
Not caring. Is that a non-example?
I think, kind of. I mean, in order to determine something, you have to care about it. You have to, but it also means that you can conclude something. So you're on the right track. Yes, sir.
Determining what I want to do.
Okay, so determining your needs, determining what you want. Good. Jackson, do you have a non-example or a characteristic?
Non-example.
Okay.
So what's the definition of random?
Okay.
Random.
Okay,
You're not deciding anything. You're not deciding what you want. You pick something random.
Okay, so you're just randomly picking.
Yes.
Okay. Good.
So, I don't know whose this is right here. It's Adrian's.
What else does anybody have? Does anyone have a good characteristic? Cameron. You forgot? Anybody else? If you need help, look back at what we talked about yesterday. Lily. Summarize. Good.
Summarize. Don't close your eyes.
Lisa. Is there anything else? Yes, because we talked about how determining means that you can be concluding something. So while you're summarizing that, good. Anything else that we want to add for a characteristic? I think I want at least one more.
For summarize.
Yeah. If you look at the word wall for inspiration. Yes.
Conclude.
Conclude. Yep, it talked about it here, but I could write conclude again. Sure. Marissa. To decide. Yep, that's in the definition too.
No, do not freak out.